Here we go, fourth graders. I'm going to show you how to record your public service announcement, or PSA. So what you're going to be doing, since this is a radio PSA, there's not going to be anything you would actually see, because on the radio you just hear audio. So you'll notice that there's a slide here that is black. That is the screen you will be using. So you're going to go here, then you're going to go to Screencastify. You're going to go to Desktop. You got your microphone. You shouldn't have to do anything with that. And we're not going to embed any video or anything else, so we're going to record Desktop. You're going to go to Present. And you're going to go Share. This is how I record my screen for Screencastify. So I'm all done. And you can see that it's an all black screen, and that is how you do your radio PSA recording. It's important to make sure that it's in full screen, because you can see by the dotted lines that it's showing you that everything's going to be black. So there you go.